Hello friends, time for lesson 2. On our last lesson we were talking about the main ring, the center ring, and how if you look left you're hitting it in an upward direction, if you look right you're hitting it in a downward direction, and if you're this way it's clockwise, and if you're on the other side of it it's counterclockwise. Well, now what I want you to do is work with this a little bit and learn how to turn and change your orientation to the ring. So we've got this going in a clockwise direction, of course you is clockwise. I'm going to move over and get into a left front stance, and I'm going to work on an upward figure 8. Now, you can make it small, you can go with the wrist, you can go with the elbow, and you can go with the arm. What I'd like you to do right now is try to go with the shoulder with a full arm as much as you can. Get your ring going in that direction. Step with your right foot, and you're going to bring it over to the other side and turn. Now you've actually made the weapon go around your body. So now take and turn to your left, put your left foot in front, step with your right, bring the chuck over to the other side, turn back, look, and you're right back where you started again. Go look left, hit up, step with your right, bring it over, look to your left, step with your right, work your figure 8. Now once you get comfortable with doing that and you're turning to the left each time, you step with your right, you turn to your left, you step with your right, turn to your left, then try it the other way. Look this way, step with your left, turn to your left, look to your right, step with your left, turn to your right, work your upward figure 8s, and your downward figure 8s. And get used to that. And then you switch hands and go through the same process again. You'll step with your right, you'll bring it over and turn to your left, you'll look to your left, step with your right, bring it over. So that's with the bigger picture of the circle. Now I was asked about doing hand rolls and wrist rolls and finger rolls and things like that, so let's go ahead and continue with this thing. Only this time, I'm going to turn it this way to you. This time we're going to bring it to a smaller amplitude, just a regular figure 8. Now if you really want to get the hand roll really smooth, there's a drill you do where you'll hold the chuck in your hand and let it come back and hit the back of your hand. Now I'm holding it with my thumb. So when you bring it over to here, you're going to catch it with the pinky, point your fingers over to the left, and then you're going to bring it up this way. Okay, so the drill is to do this, be comfortable, never really leaves your hand. It comes around to here. Then you're going to turn your hand, point your gun to the left if you're right-handed. Now you come up and practice tapping on your index finger. Right there. And you'll just let it come around. Alright, so then you'll go this way and this way. I like to put a loop on the inside to gain momentum, or you can do a figure 8 and go this way, work it back and forth, and then come up. Or you can cut the corners and just go straight to the roll. Now because we're looking at this ring going in this direction, it's an upward pattern. Now if I were to turn this way, which I'll flip it around for you, if I were to turn this way, it's going down. So you have the downward figure 8 motion going out with a hand roll. Alright, so let's reverse it and go back to up with the gun. So you have it rolling just like this. Comes around, loop on the inside for momentum, roll, roll, loop on the inside. So there's your hand rolls. Alright, so going in either direction. Alright, well, that about sums it up for today. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. I'll see you next time.